So today we're going to do my version of the bacon explosion or bacon bomb. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to lay down a weave of bacon. Let's take some bacon and we'll lay it out side by side. Fairly close together. I usually take half the bacon. Then what I will do is I start in the middle, and every second one I flip forward, grab another piece of bacon, put it down. So wherever you see that's underneath, you pull back. And you put another strip of bacon on that side. Okay, so now that the weave's done, we're going to put our, today I have a helper with me. My helper is my 90-year-old mom. Okay, so now we're going to put ground pork, Italian sausage, try to make it have a little bit of overhang. So I usually don't prepare the meat first. I like putting my spices on after. I need a little bit of, I can say, a little bit of space so that the bacon wraps around it. You know, just leave about an inch all the way around. So she's asking, my mom was asking if you need to go right to the edges. You don't. Now what I do is I'll put my pork rub, which I'll put it in the description below. Take a spoon and I'll just, drizzle fairly heavy. Well, maybe not as heavy, just a medium coat. And then what I'll do is, on my version, is I'll put, usually put cream cheese, but we're putting mozzarella this time. And then I'll put onions, peppers, and you could put it in the middle, put it all over, you know, there's plenty of stuff there. I like to leave a little bit of room on all the way around so it doesn't blow out when you're cooking it. Yeah, that'll be good. holes, shards in. And now, the hardest part of the whole thing is to wrap it and hopefully everything holds together. And what I'll do is I'll put it in the fridge and let it hold. But what I'll do is I'll rewrap it and really tight. I gotta make sure the seam is on the bottom. So what I'll do is I'll tighten it up, and then roll it really tight. And that usually will hold a nice little package. And that's it. And then we'll put it in. Now you can put it at 300 in the oven, or on the barbecue, or in a smoker. I think I'll put it on the either barbecue or smoker, and leave it till it's 165 degrees internal, and then you're done and you're ready to serve. So we'll fire up the barbecue and see how everything goes. So this is the final product. What we're going to do is check the internal temperature. A little over. Should be higher than 160. So 180. But yeah, I put a little barbecue sauce on it. We're ready to slice it up, and once I slice it up, I'll plate it, and then we'll get a better view of the inside. So here we have the finished product, all sliced up, ready to serve.